The $230 million fully guaranteed contract sitting on the Cleveland front office desk is officially the biggest ticking time bomb in the entire National Football League. Right now, a brutal internal civil war is ripping through the organization, pitting a desperate, legacy-obsessed billionaire owner against a brilliant new offensive mastermind, all while a generational college phenom waits in the shadows to take over. If you think the front office drama is under control, you are completely blind to the absolute disaster brewing behind closed doors. Before we dive in, smash that subscribe button if you want the fastest NFL updates on the planet. The absolute core of this entire crisis comes down to a massive clash of massive egos, and it centers completely around the highly controversial quarterback position. For months, the consensus around the league was that the front office viewed their expensive, underperforming veteran quarterback as a total swing and a miss. But everything changed the exact second the organization brought in a new offensive play caller to completely overhaul the system. Now, the ownership group is singing a completely different tune, desperate to salvage a ruined legacy and avoid being remembered for signing the worst contract in sports history. The ownership is praying that this new offensive coordinator can magically resurrect a broken star, because if they run him back out there and the season completely implodes, the fan base will literally tear the stadium down. But wait until you hear about the massive twist involving the rookie sensation who might steal the starting job anyway. How can any rational football mind look at a 30-year-old quarterback who has torn his Achilles tendon twice and think he is the savior of a franchise? Drop your thoughts below, because the reality is that the new coaching staff is trying to build a completely new-look roster. This isn't the sluggish, predictable offense that made fans want to vomit over the last 2 seasons. This is a highly explosive, youth-driven system featuring young offensive playmakers, absolute beasts in the backfield, and heavy investments along the offensive line. The new offensive coordinator wants an ultra-athletic playmaker running the show, which brings us to the ultimate question that is splitting the building completely in half. Who is actually going to be the Week 1 starter under center? Drop a name in the comments right now. Is it going to be the $230 million veteran, or are we going to see a shock takeover by a young star? If you think the veteran takes the first snap of the season, write a massive Y in the comments. And if you think he gets benched or replaced, drop an N right now. While you get your predictions in, a legendary NFL running back just blew this entire situation wide open. He dropped a massive bombshell, claiming his direct sources inside the locker room are screaming that the veteran quarterback looks absolutely phenomenal in private workouts and has already been locked in as the definitive starter. The organization is aggressively leaking these reports, desperately trying to brainwash the fan base into accepting the veteran under center for 1 more year. There is a legitimate argument that the previous coaching staff completely stunted this quarterback and limited his natural abilities, and that in a wide-open, creative offensive system, he could actually find his old form. But the leash is shorter than it has ever been in NFL history. If he steps onto that field and throws even a single costly interception, the entire stadium will be chanting for his replacement. And if you think the front office can just trade him away if things go south, you are living in a fantasy world. Absolutely nobody is trading for that contract. No team in the league would offer anything more than a useless late-round draft pick, meaning the organization is completely stuck with this financial nightmare. But the quarterback room isn't the only position undergoing a massive, high-stakes clearing out. The wide receiver room is currently facing a total logjam, with twice as many players on the roster than available slots for the final cut. A massive fan-favorite receiver from last year's draft is officially on the trading block, as the team desperately tries to get some value for him before cutting him loose entirely. Meanwhile, dynamic young route runners are locked into the top 4 spots on the depth chart, leaving a brutal battle for the final remaining positions. The team's brilliant new offensive mind is obsessed with versatile, creative weapons who can execute devastating end-around plays and trick concepts, which leaves several notable draft picks and heavily hyped young receivers directly on the chopping block. Multiple raw talents who spent last season trying to catch on are going to find themselves completely out of a job by the time the final roster is locked in. And if you think the cuts at wide receiver are shocking, wait until you see the absolute insanity happening with the undrafted free agents and the defensive line. The front office is quietly handing out historically large financial guarantees to a select group of undrafted rookies, practically locking them onto the final roster before training camp even starts. A standout, aggressive young cornerback out of Delaware and a powerhouse legacy offensive lineman are turning heads in private sessions, securing their futures while established veterans are getting pushed out the door. At the exact same time, rumors are swirling that the front office is looking to add an incredibly old, legendary defensive end to beef up the defensive line on a dirt-cheap contract. But the real structural revolution is happening at the tight end position, where a rising sophomore superstar is projected to completely dethrone the established starter and put up historic, record-breaking numbers. This young beast became a pure reception machine and a yards-after-catch monster during his rookie year, proving that no matter how bad the offensive line or the quarterback play got, he was the ultimate safety blanket. But the absolute wild card of this entire season is a freaky, ultra-athletic hybrid weapon currently sitting deep on the quarterback depth chart. The coaching staff is drawing up highly secretive, explosive package plays to get this human highlight reel onto the field for creative options and wildcat formations. Even if he isn't the primary backup. The new offensive scheme desperately craves the level of elite, raw athleticism under center, which is why this young weapon is rapidly climbing past traditional pocket passers who have actual starting experience in the league. The entire franchise is sitting on a powder keg of young talent, massive financial risk, and intense coaching changes that will either result in a championship masterclass or a complete historic disaster.